Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace a 9-volt block in a multimeter. First step, remove the stand. Then use a screwdriver, a flat screwdriver, to lift up the rubber. The rubber frame has to lift up a little bit and then stretch it on all sides. Except the downside you do not have to, because we will slide it up and then we will go out. Bend the rubber a little bit. Yeah, bend it, baby. This is a Revolt PX 8152 multimeter, and the power indicator at the LCD screen is in the red area. Okay, now as you can see, we removed the multimeter out of the frame, the rubber frame. Now turn it over and then untighten the 4 screws of the body, right, left, up and down. You need a little screwdriver for this. Use this gentle. Do not use an electronic tool for this, because you can damage these little screws. Good job. Untighten them. You do not have to remove the screws. And now let's lift the body up. This is the back body. Lift it up, and as you can see, there is the main board. Yeah. And on the right side, as you can see, there is a 9-volt block. We are going to replace this. Good job. How to replace this? Pull it out of the body. Yeah. Now remove the cover of the 9-volt block. Good job. And after this, unplug it. At the 9-volt block, there are 2 different plugs, one small, one larger one. And now take a new 9-volt block and put it back in position on top of the plugs. Good job. Press a little bit, then reinstall the cover of the 9-volt block and reassemble it back in position in the 9-volt block holder inside your multimeter. Nice and easy. Push it and take care of the wires. They do not have to go in a damaged mode. So let's try this. Switch on, switch off. Good job. Multimeter is working. Now reassemble the back plate, the back body plate of your multimeter. Press it back in position. Then tighten the screws with a little screwdriver. As you can see, it's easy to handle. Rotate the screwdriver clockwise, and now the parts are tightened. Good job. Let's go to the next step. The next step is reassemble the yellow rubber cover. First step, slide it back in position on the bottom side and then flip it inside. Now press the edges in position. Good job. Now reassembling completed. Oh, only one thing we have to do is reassemble the standing part on the back side. Good job. Easy going. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon. Yeah, good job. Yeah.